The Workspace dashboard is where the account owner creates workspaces for their team. Depending on your permissions, you may not see this option in your interface. Here you can create as many workspaces as you need and invite team members with different permissions. Let me show you how it works. The first thing to understand is that every workspace creates its own Meet Caria subdomain. For example, I have a workspace called Administrator, which creates the URL administrator.meetcaria.ai. Because of this, workspace names must be unique. If the name already exists, it cannot be used. I recommend choosing something unique to your company, for example, your company name plus administrator. You can edit any workspace by clicking the pencil icon. Here, you can change details like the name and logo. Keep in mind that changing the name will also change the workspace URL, so you should rarely need to modify it. Now let's click on the workspace name. Here you can see the team members who have access to this workspace, their role and their status. You can also invite new members and review the activity log. Let's create a new workspace. Click Add Workspace. Here you'll enter the workspace name, add your website URL, and upload an icon to represent the workspace. This logo will appear on all correspondence and email templates created within that workspace. Once the workspace is created, you can invite team members by clicking Invite Team Member, enter their information and assign their role. Once they accept the invitation, they'll have access only to that workspace and only with the permissions you've assigned. Here's a quick overview of the available roles. Admin, management access except deleting or transferring ownership. Recruiter, job and candidate management. Guest, view only access. Here is a complete breakdown of each role's permissions. Please pause the video if you'd like a detailed look at what each role can do. Once workspaces are created, you can easily switch between them using the drop-down in the navigation on the left. Depending on your permissions, you may only see specific workspaces or only your own. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to use my NLP interface. It lets you interact with me using normal language, just like you would when talking to a person.